In this video, I'll show you how to get a loan from MoneyView app. I'll give you all the information you need so that applying for a loan becomes simple and straightforward. First, before we start, you need to download the MoneyView app. You can easily find it on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your phone. The first page you will see has a Get Started button. Go ahead and tap on Get Started to begin. After tapping, the app will show some permissions it needs to work properly. Take a moment to read them carefully. At the bottom, you will see I agree. Tap on I agree to continue. You will also be prompted to allow your location. Make sure to allow this so the app can function correctly and provide you with personalized options. Once you allow location access, a welcome page will appear. Here, you need to enter your email ID, which will be used for your loan application, and then your mobile number. Make sure both are correct. After filling in these details, scroll down and tap Continue. At this point, the app will send an OTP to your mobile number to verify your account. Enter the OTP exactly as received to complete verification. Once your number is verified, the app will open a new page with several options at the bottom, such as personal loan, loan and property, and home loan. Since we are focusing on personal loans, tap on Personal Loan. A new page will appear labeled Tell us about yourself. Here, you need to provide your basic personal details. Start by entering your first name as it appears on your PAN card, and then your last name. Next, click on Education and select your highest level of education, whether graduate, postgraduate, or high school. After this, scroll down to select your marital status. You will see options like married, divorced, single, or widow. Select whichever applies to you. Scroll further, and you will see the field for preferred loan amount. This is where you enter the amount of loan you want to apply for. Once you have entered your desired amount, submit it. The next step is to select your employment type. If you work for a company or government and receive a regular salary, select Salaried. If you run your own business, shop, or are self-employed, select Self-employed. After this, enter your monthly income so that the app can determine your eligibility. Once all these fields are completed, tap Get Offer. A new page will now appear asking for more detailed information. Here, you need to enter your PAN card number, date of birth, PIN code, and gender, male or female. Make sure every detail is accurate. After entering the information, tap Get Offer again. At this point, the app will show you the maximum loan amount you are eligible for based on your profile. For example, you might apply for 500 rupees, but see that you are eligible for up to 5,000 rupees. If you are happy with the offer, tap Confirm and process to proceed with the loan. The app will guide you through the remaining steps, and once approved, the loan amount will be disbursed directly to your account. And that's it! By following these steps, you can easily get a loan from MoneyView app and receive the funds you need quickly and conveniently.